Let's divide 346 by 2. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning long division, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 346 by 2. First, we look at the digit 3. We bring down the 3 to start our division. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's write that down. Now we subtract 2 from 3. That leaves us with 1. Awesome, we're doing great. You've got this. We have a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next digit 4. Now we have 14. Look at that, we're making progress. We use the remainder 1 and bring down the next digit 4 to make 14. How many times does 2 fit into 14? It's 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Write down the 7. 14 minus 14 equals 0. No remainder this time. Fantastic work, you're a math superstar. We have a remainder of 0. Let's bring down the last digit, 6. Last step, we now have 6. We're almost there. We use the remainder 0 and bring down the digit 6 to make 6. How many times does 2 fit into 6? It's 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Let's write down the 3. 6 minus 6 equals 0. We have no remainder. You did it. You solved the problem like a pro. We've divided all the digits. The answer is 173. So 346 divided by 2 is 173 with no remainder. Great job. We successfully divided 346 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is just a way to break down big problems into smaller, manageable parts. Keep practicing and you'll be a math whiz in no time. That's all for this division problem. Keep exploring, keep learning, and check out more videos on Let's Stud.